Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha Agrawal and this time I am in Mumbai. So yeah, we are doing a staycation in Mumbai with my parents. I'm doing it. It's my mom's birthday, so we have planned a trip to stay at two Taj properties. So right now we are in Taj Lands End, which is in Bandra, and I just checked in, and the best part is our check-in time was 3 o'clock, but they gave a super amazing early check-in. It's not even 9:30 when I checked into the room. So yeah, I'm really happy about this service. And yeah, this was my airport look, by the way. I spent the whole night at Bangalore airport. So I traveled from Bangalore to Mumbai, and my parents are traveling from Raigad to Mumbai, so they are gonna reach in the evening, and I checked in early. My flight got rescheduled, but yeah, here I am coming back to the point. Taj Lands End for one day, and we're gonna shift to the Taj Palace, the Gateway of India one tomorrow. So this is what it looks like when you enter. There are cupboards of sides and plenty of space over there to keep all your stuff, and this is the bed area. It's huge. So it has tea, coffee part in it. I haven't seen. And the best part of the room is the view, which I am in love with. So yeah, I'm gonna spend a lot of time sitting over here for the next few hours. I'm extremely tired. I'm gonna freshen up a little now. And this is the bathroom. The best part about it is कि जितने भी products हैं, they are all Forest Essentials का, and I absolutely love this thing about it. Hey guys, I am back now. I had a good sleep, had a good bath, and yeah, I'm all ready. मम्मी पापा भी बस पहुंचने वाले थोड़ी देर में. It's around 4:30 right now. And I'm definitely still not over with this view, so that's the reason I'm sitting over here only and enjoying this beautiful view of the ocean. अभी रात के 10 बज चुके हैं. मम्मी पापा आ गए, शाम को ही आ गए थे. Then we went out for a little shopping, and yeah, that's what the day was all about. कल हम सुबह उठ के we are gonna एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस, क्योंकि आज तो कुछ हुआ नहीं, बहुत सोते हुए टाइम निकल गया. सो या, अभी आई विल शो यू नाइट में कैसा दिखता है. Good morning. So it's our day 2 here in Mumbai. There's the birthday girl. Happy birthday. So basically हम मम्मी के celebration के लिए है. Let me show you the hotel in a bit. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What's the point chasing dreams if they lead me away from
And my mom posing. Birthday girl. She turned 16. मॉमी ये वीडियो है. We are right now in the pool area. So pool बंद है but रूम से ज़्यादा अच्छा व्यू दिख रहा था. यहाँ पे कल एक फूड ट्रक थी, यहीं खड़ी थी, आज नहीं है. This is one of the restaurant which was supposed to be our breakfast buffet place, but it was all packed in the morning. So we switched it to our masala restaurant. We went over there. Walking from this road takes you to Bandra Fort and bandstand to the सामने ही है. तो अगर होगा तो अभी हम जाएंगे. Gave us cake and this is the cake and everyone came and we celebrated in the morning as this. So yeah, अभी हम चेकआउट करके जाएंगे गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया वाली ताज and this is how we're gonna spend mom's birthday today. मम्मी आप कितने एक्साइटेड हो?
बहुत 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 एक्साइटेड, बहुत एक्साइटेड.
And let me show you my mom's birthday look. मम्मी एक बार आओ तो आप अपना मेकअप शो करोगे? You have to see my mom's makeup. So she's basically wearing this whole matching green makeup look, closer look of my mom's makeup. So yeah, this is our plan for the day. अभी हम check out करके we'll be heading over there. And yes, and one more thing I want to show you. Room के just बाहर निकल के there is this beautiful Bandra Worli ceiling का view. यहाँ से तो there is just this the starting जहाँ से होती है that is there, but बाहर से the actual view is there, so which is very pretty. And yeah, that's about it. We are here in Bandra Fort. अभी हम Bandra Fort के अंदर गए थे. We are standing over here near the ocean. So that's the hotel with our lens and very near to it. बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चल रही है. We will also stop by at bandstand क्योंकि I've been here but mom's not been to this place.
Your next fantasy.
So we are finally checking into our room, Taj Palace, and this is what the room looks like. Let me give you a room tour. Let me switch the camera to the other side.
Said we know that this trip will last for you. We said there's no reminds me that we should have.
So our room is in the top floor. It's in 19th floor of the tower, and yes, that's why the view is pretty amazing. We are all ready to head out, and yes, let's go.
I know you next to me. My feelings ain't living up your next fantasy. Follow me to infinity. Your heart said
a lot of shops inside the Taj Hotel. Plenty of stores I can see.
Your next fantasy. Don't let me go. A broken heart is hard to show. Take me back home. You made my day so wonderful. Don't get me if you want me. I need you next to me. My feelings ain't living up your next fantasy. Follow me to infinity. Your heart set us free. The story isn't ending. Be your next fantasy. They said we know that this trip will last for you. This is no reminds me that we still have hope. Don't get me if you want me. I need you next to me. My feelings ain't living up your next fantasy. Follow me to infinity. Your heart set us free. The story isn't ending. Be your next fantasy.
This is a separate entrance gate for all the celebrities that come over. We are all ready for mom's birthday dinner. Mom's also ready. And here is mama. और पापा ये रहे. पापा बहुत पहले रेडी हो चुके हैं और अब बोर हो गए इतनी देर पहले रेडी होके. Let me show you the night view, what it looks like from our room. So this is what the view is.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mausi. Happy birthday to you.
Close my eyes so I can see. Memories recall. You were right in front of me. Scared to lose it all. I believe you could be the light through all the darkness of me. You could be the
So this is the swimming pool area. It's under renovations.
let me go, never let me go. But I'm here waiting for a lifetime. Said you'll never let me go, never let me go.
This whole place is only reserved for the people who are staying over here, and yeah, so yeah, this is my favorite part of the hotel, by the way. It's such a beautiful area. I wish this was open to everyone, but yeah, something exclusive has to be there.
I'm here waiting for a lifetime. Said you'll never let me go.
So this was all about our stay in Taj Properties in Lands End and Palace. मम्मी आपको कैसा लगा आपको बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन?
इतना अच्छा बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन हुआ है तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. फुल इंजॉय करे हैं, बहुत मस्ती करे हैं बेटी के और पति के साथ.
पापा आपको कैसा लगा आपका स्टेकेशन?
खूब 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 ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. बांद्रा में रुकना, गेट टू इंडिया में रुकना.
So now we are checking out of the hotel. अभी हम लॉबी में बैठे हुए हैं waiting for our luggage. This was an end to the amazing, memorable staycation at Taj.